the honorable judges, and the great audience. For 20 years, I live in a place surrounded by a river environment in Riau province. Almost every day, the river water flow serenity gives inspirations for me to write some incredible stories. They are so peaceful and wonderful. But over time, the current of the river seems to be asking me for help. The river water quality has been my concern in the past few years because so many people pollute them with plastics, metals, chemicals, gases, and so many more. Not only in my area, ladies and gentlemen, around 9 million people also live near the river. These people could produce heaps of waste and throw them into the river. It is now already one of our environmental problems in Indonesia. This is in line with data mentioned by the Ministry of the Environment and Forestry in 2020, saying that 59% of 564 river areas were heavily contaminated, 26.6% were moderately polluted, and 8.9% was slightly unclean. And even Citarum River has been considered as one of the most polluted waterways in this world. Very sad, isn't it? What we should do quickly to conserve our rivers. Are they in danger? Yeah, our rivers are in danger. They need us to save them, to clean them from the waste, from the pollution. Therefore, in this memorable occasion, I am Tengku Hamid Darmawan, representative of Riau University at Pemilihan Mahasiswa Berprestasi 2022. Would like to speak about one of the crucial issues, how to save our rivers to realizing the point 14 of SDGs, life below water. Ladies and gentlemen, rivers are being polluted in different ways, from dumping waste to releasing harmful chemicals. Rivers are losing their purity. Many industries are known for dumping their waste into the river. There are more than 2,000 companies in Indonesia built near the river because they need large quantities of water. In recent years, they have discharged enormous amounts of chemical waste directly into the river. Rivers are known to sustain life like fish and underwater plants. If this continues, it will be unfit for sustaining life. Overusage of water, history suggests that people have lived by the banks of rivers and have used its water. This has led to the rise of civilization along rivers such as in our history. Rivers are a source of income for many people, thanks to uses like fishing and tourism. If this is being exploited, then rivers will be badly affected. Since rivers are being polluted, all of the human will get the impact. Ladies and gentlemen, rivers are important for mankind in the following sector. They are a source of water for people. It is obvious that water is needed for washing clothes and bathing. Rivers are an important way of transportation. It has served as inland transportation routes for boats and ships. And rivers promote the tourism sector. Activities like water rafting, ferrying, boating, etc. help in promoting rivers as major ecotourism in Indonesia. Here, I come to propose some practical ideas to clean our rivers from the waste and pollution. Number one, the most important thing that each individual should understand is rivers belong to all of us. It is a joint responsibility of each and every individual to keep them clean. We need to reduce water pollution at a personal level. Number two, industries hold the biggest responsibility for this pathetic condition. So industrial waste and the relevant authorities need to encourage that no industrial waste and effluents are dumped in any water body. Number three, the government needs to be more active in controlling the river security. For example, they can put several police that is especially monitoring the river. So people are more alert to pollute the river, and if a company is found that pollute the river, it will be processed in the law. Number four, we can join community groups that are working to save and protect our rivers from the pollution. Small habits and our contribution can have mighty results. Taking small steps like that can help us in the long run. So today, I invite you guys to take a pledge to keep our rivers clean. #Let's conserve the rivers together. Thank you.